Welcome everyone. In this Navratri, the 9 days of celebration. Celebration goes typically for 3 days each of three devies. The first 3 days are dedicated to Devi Durga, where you remove the negatives. Always when you have trying to fill up a little vessel in your kitchen with milk or something like that, we have to clean it up first. Durga cleans up everything. Durga destroys things. Durga comes on a lion, or lion is, there are a couple of forms, lion and tiger. This represents a lot of power, Shakti. And so that is how you have to remove it. You remove everything within us, negatives that are there. And that's the first 3 days. And then the next 3 days is Lakshmi. You start feeling good stuff. But it's not so much stuff, outside stuff. Last 3 days are Saraswati, which is the truth and knowledge and wisdom. So you go to steps like that. So now, let me just begin with Durga. The Durga, there's a hand mudra that you have to learn. Mushtika mudra. Mushti means like this. It's strength. That represents strength. But in the mudra, in dance mudras, what we do is we open up the index finger, put the thumb on to the middle finger, and then the index finger comes here like that. Everybody raise it up and show me like that. So it's like that, okay? The thumb goes in between like that. Thumb is between the index and the middle finger like that. Thumb is projecting out. That is strength. Whenever we are feeling uneasy, whenever we are not positive about ourselves, if something needs to be done properly, something needs to be done with strength, this is the Mushtika mudra. This is the Durga mudra. So hold this very properly. We'll be using this in the dance forms, just so that you know. This is the Durga. And there is another mudra that is there. Very simple, actually very simple. You do the Gnana mudra, but now spread all the fingers apart. Spread all the fingers apart. And when you do this, you look at this, both sides. This is the trident. This is the trishula. In dance forms, Kathak, when somebody does this, this is a trishula. So when you do this, open up your arms like this, and you see this is trishula. And on one hand you do Mushtika mudra. One hand Mushtika mudra, and the other hand trishula. And stretch your chest open and look very sternly. That is the Durga posture. You see how that is? It's a very important, and you stretch yourself a little bit and you will see a wonderful Durga posture. Okay, so that's that Durga posture. Now, let's do the Lakshmi posture. That's a simple one actually, Lakshmi posture, and we will be using this in some of the dances. We will do some dance forms that we will be talking about. We'll obviously not do the actual Kathak or anything, but we'll be using it for some movements. Now, Lakshmi mudra is very simple. We do the tip of the index finger and the tip of it's similar to Gnana mudra, but the only difference is turned in like this. All the three are turned in, and this is Lakshmi mudra. Okay, so this is Lakshmi mudra. So we review again. This is the Mushtika mudra, that is the Durga, and the Durga trident, and then you make like a beak, small beak, not tiny beak. And that is, you can see that. That's Lakshmi mudra. And then comes Saraswati. Saraswati is also very easy. Saraswati is easy. In Saraswati, let's raise up the hand up, okay? And all we have to do is the middle finger coming out. That is Saraswati. That is Saraswati. So when you have this, and then we'll do a Veena pose, playing a Veena like that. That is a Saraswati pose, okay? That's a Saraswati. So these are the three main. We will not do Kali here. We'll just do three because Kali is sometimes used in some of these dance forms. But we'll be doing these three step at a time. Thank you.